Hello and welcome to Fun English Friends. Are you ready to make your English listening fun and easy? This is a cozy place where we learn English in a fun, simple, and friendly way. Whether you're a beginner or still growing in your English journey, you're in the right place. Today, we'll also practice shadowing. Before we start, do you know what shadowing means? Let me tell you. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it right after the speaker, just like an echo. You try to copy the pronunciation, speed, and tone as closely as you can. It helps you sound more natural when speaking English. How to shadow effectively. First, listen to the audio once. Next, repeat each line until you match the speed and intonation. Then, do it without reading. Focus on sounding natural. Don't worry about being perfect. Just enjoy the practice and keep going. Now let's begin. Listen closely and enjoy the moment.
Hi, my name is Tom. I want to tell you about my rainy day and how it became a happy day. Listen to my story and feel what I feel. Let's start. This morning, I wake up early. I feel so happy because I want to play football with my friends. But then I look outside my window. It is raining. Oh no! I feel disappointed because I cannot play football today. I sit on my bed and sigh. I feel so bored. I think, what can I do on this rainy day? Then, my mom comes into my room. She smiles at me and says, "Tom, let's bake cookies today." I feel surprised. I feel excited too. We go to the kitchen together. We mix flour, sugar, butter, and chocolate chips. I taste the cookie dough. It is so sweet. I feel happy. We put the cookies in the oven. The kitchen smells so good. I feel hungry and I wait for the cookies. Finally, the cookies are ready. They look golden and warm. I eat one cookie. It is delicious. I feel proud because I helped my mom. Then my phone rings. My friends call me on video chat. We laugh and talk together. I show them my fresh cookies. They say, "Wow, lucky you." I feel so happy. I do not feel bored anymore. I feel happy, proud, and loved, even on a rainy day. Thank you for listening to my story. Sometimes a rainy day can be a sweet day. Bye for now. See you next time.
Great job practicing with me today. Keep shadowing every day. The more you do it, the more confident and fluent you'll become. If you enjoyed this shadowing practice, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new practice session. See you next time, and happy shadowing!